Jailbreaking is awesome, but jailbreaking has become unpopular with the latest versions of iOS. In the past, you could get all the features gotten by jailbreaking just from Cydia, but Cydia has not been updated since March 11th, 2017. So now, you cannot install all the awesome features that come with jailbreaking just from Cydia. Cydia is also not compatible with the latest iOS versions that run on devices such as iPhone 11, 12, etc. At this time, you need more than 10 third-party services to get the whole jailbreak experience, and most of them are very expensive. So, iBundles is the solution. Just by registering with iBundles, you can access 16 websites that provide the complete jailbreak experience. The best part of iBundles is the donateware. If you really enjoy iBundles, you can support us by donating any amount of money. Let's discuss the websites that have partnered with iBundles. You will definitely be amazed. Jailbreak Solutions. On this website, you can download the most compatible jailbreaking tools for your iPhone or iPad. All iOS versions and all iPad OS versions are available. An expert team has tested and verified all of these tools to provide the easiest jailbreaking methods. In addition, you can get 24/7 support service for your jailbreaking process. That, however, is not the best part of the Jailbreak Solutions website. Unfortunately, most users with jailbroken devices have no idea to install the best apps and tweaks after jailbreaking their device. Some jailbreak apps and tweaks can be harmful to devices. Your device can be infected with malware and viruses through some untrustworthy jailbreak apps or tweaks. So, jailbreaksolutions.com provides you with the best jailbreak app list that has been verified by an expert team. You can download all of the popular jailbreak tweaks and apps with no risk of malware or viruses. itweaks.org. On September 7th, 2018, a new iOS tweak installation method was introduced, based on Siri scripting. Nowadays, it is a trending way to install third-party tweaks for Apple devices. So many developers have developed awesome tweaks that overcome Apple restrictions, and more jailbreak developers are now working to develop iOS tweaks using this Siri scripting method. itweaks.org is the dominating marketplace for third-party Siri scripting tweaks. You can install hundreds of tweaks for all the latest devices and iOS versions from itweaks.org and their tweak marketplace. Elathemes. Elathemes.com is the world's best and most extensive collection of iPhone and iPad themes for non-jailbroken devices. You can easily install and uninstall themes from the Elathemes website. There is no real theme installation app on the App Store, so Elathemes is the only solution for installing an awesome collection for the latest iOS versions, which includes all of iOS 14 and 15. Xyrome. Gaming is the best part of Apple iPhones and iPads. Mobile games are a multi-billion-dollar industry, and no one can beat the App Store when it comes to mobile gaming. But there is a problem. Firstly, you need to pay to download the best games on the App Store. Then, you'll have to pay again and again for in-app purchases in order to play continuously. So, Xyrome is the website that provides the best solution to overcome this. You can download and install the most popular App Store games with Xyrome for free, with no in-app purchases at all. Chica.com. Have you ever thought about running a third-party virtual mobile operating system simultaneously with your default iOS? Now you can with Chica. Chica is a collection of third-party operating systems for iPhones. All Chica operating systems are installed on their own web platforms, so you can run these Chica virtual operating systems and your current iOS simultaneously with zero risk. Some jailbreak tweaks offered this, but it was too risky. Do you need a unique experience on your iPhone? Chica is the solution. Dream Themes. Dream Themes is another collection of themes for Apple devices. There are only a few theme launches available at dreamthemes.com, but all of them are completely different and extraordinary. Xumo. Xumo is the world's only marketplace for setting tweaks. You can change default iOS features with these Xumo tweaks. You couldn't even install these tweaks for older iOS versions on Cydia. Using Xumo tweaks, you can change default iOS features instantaneously. The tweaks are very easy to install and uninstall and are 100% safe. Flamino. With Flamino, you can run old virtual computer operating systems on the latest iPhones or iPads. All operating systems run on their own web platforms, much like Chica. Running web-based old computer operating systems with Flamino is 100% free and safe. Calnim. Calnim is a website with an exclusive games collection for iPhones and iPads. There is no download or install process, just play the games. The Apple App Store has many restrictions for games, so developers cannot submit certain game types to the App Store. With Calnim, you can play banned and restricted games on your Apple device. Sedumo. Sedumo is an icon changer for your iPhone or iPad. They provide beautiful icon collections to change your default iOS icons to. Changing icons is very easy with Sedumo. Just select an icon collection that they provide, or change any App Store icons to your own images. Metal. Metal is a wallpaper collection for iPhones. Yes, we know that you can download thousands of iPhone wallpapers from Google. Or you can set your own photo as your wallpaper, and that it's not a big deal. But these Metal wallpapers are entirely different. Metal wallpapers provide a unique wallpaper experience for your iPhone that you have never seen before. Salonio. Have you ever thought about changing your boring Reboot Apple logo? If you have, you now can change your iPhone Reboot logo with Salonio. As iBundles, we have made partnerships with all of these websites. So, you can log in to all these websites with an iBundles membership. Get instant access to iBundles. We guarantee an uncommon experience with your iPhone. Furthermore, you can get so many premium Jailbreak and third-party app stores with an iOS iBundles membership. Jailbreak, Xylon, Hexa Plus Jailbreak Repo Extractor, Xeon, and more. iBundles has partnerships with all of these premium third-party Jailbreak app stores and third-party repo extractors, so you can install the premium versions of all of these using your iBundles membership. All of these services and apps are continuously being updated with new features. Your membership is valid for 5 years. Visit iBundles.org and click Get Instant Access to see a new, awesome experience with your iPhone, iPad, or both.